Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Capital One credit cards account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Capital One credit cards account, firstly go ahead and launch up any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in Capital One credit card login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. From the search results, tap on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the sign-in page of your Capital One credit cards account. Now to log into your account, enter your username and password associated with the Capital One credit cards account and tap on sign in. Tick mark on the box that says remember me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on the link that says forgot username or password option. This is how you can log into your Capital One credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.